Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun Cricut project for you, so let's get started. For this project, you will need Cricut glitter iron-on vinyl and some old books or books from the dollar store. To get started, you will need to cut the vinyl to about 1 inch larger than the book when laid flat. Using the Easy Press Mini set on high, press the vinyl onto the book with the shiny side up. Be sure to get all the creases and apply constant pressure. Once pressed, remove the carrier sheet and lightly press to remove any wrinkles. Now all you need to do is trim, fold, and press in the edges to make a book cover. This also works great with regular iron-on vinyl. You may need to adjust the heat settings depending on which vinyl you choose. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.